Assalamualaikum everyone. Last time in primary 2 we had discussed about the chapter The Almighty Allah, which is given on page number 10 in your book. Almighty means the one who has complete power, the supreme. Who is Allah? Allah is our creator and our master. He has created the universe and all that is in it. He loves us a lot. He cares about us and loves us more than our parents. He wants us to become good Muslims and wants us to gain success in this life and in the next life as well. Allah the Almighty has created the sun, the moon, the earth, the mountains, the sky, the stars, the planets, clouds, trees, plants, sea, the flowers. He has created the oceans, animals of land, animals of the sea, the birds, and many other wonderful creations of Allah the Almighty are there. We can see the wonderful nature of Allah the Almighty around us with its beautiful colors. The human beings, they can make houses, buildings, cars, ships, aeroplanes, boats, etc. But they cannot create those things which are made by Allah the Almighty. For example, fruits, vegetables, clouds, animals, insects, etc. Allah the Almighty says in Surah Sajda, it is He who has made everything which He has created most good. He began the creation of men with nothing more than clay. Here it refers to Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, as he was the first creation of Allah the Almighty and he was made from clay. Allah the Almighty has blessed us with 5 senses. He has blessed us with parents, with food and drink, and also with a home. And the greatest blessing is that He has made us Muslims and from the Ummah of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which means that we are the people who came after Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we should always thank Allah the Almighty for all His blessings. Allah the Almighty says in the Holy Quran, if you are grateful, I will increase you in favor. So this was the index last time. Last time we had done 2 question and answers, question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 was, what are some of the things we can make? So you had to write the name of any 4 things which human can make. Question number 2 was, what are some of the things which we cannot make? So you had to write the name of any 4 things which humans cannot create and they are created by Allah the Almighty. So I hope you have completed both of the questions. In today's class we did question number 3 and question number 4. So question number 3 is, what has Allah the Almighty said about human beings in the Holy Quran? The answer is, Allah the Almighty says, who made everything? He has created the most good and He began the creation of men from clay. Question number 4 is, what should we do in return for the blessings of Allah the Almighty? The answer is, we should thank Allah the Almighty for all His blessings. Okay, so these were the 2 questions which we did in the class. Now for the homework. So you have to place a tick or cross given in the boxes next to the sentences, okay, and you have to do this in your book. That is all. Thank you and Jazakallah.